WealthBranch.com.
7 reasons to become a better investor. 1. Investing for future cash flows. Warren Buffett said it best when he said,
"The only reason for making investment and laying out money now is to get more money later on," right? That's what investing is all about.
2. Investing for a better future. The most important reason for investing is to improve quality of life, whether that be for yourself, your family, or the community. 3. Investing to save time.
So he said, well, I'm going to show you how rich I am. And then I didn't know exactly what he would do, but he brought out this little agenda, and he leafed through it, and there was nothing written in it. So he said, look at how rich I am. I don't have much to do. I only do what I like, and I only do it with my friends. So, so I'm very, very rich. So my wife complains till this day, how come you don't have so much time as Warren? I mean,
No, the two things you can't buy are time and love. And they're two of the most important things, obviously, in the world.
Furthermore, 2 quotes from Warren Buffett illustrate the value of time over money.
Money has no utility to me. Time has utility to me, but you're probably only going to live once. Shirley MacLaine may differ with that, or a few people, and you don't want to go sleepwalking through life.
You cannot compound time, but you can compound money. Time is essential, so why spend it crunching numbers? We built WealthBranch.com because with the time it would take to crunch all those numbers, it'd be nearly impossible. That's why we've done it for you. 4. Investing in stocks is easier than owning a business. Michael E. Gerber, author of the famous book The E-Myth, wrote, "If your business depends on you, you don't own a business, you have a job. And it's the worst job in the world because you're working for a lunatic." Investing in stocks provides many benefits over entrepreneurship in the way of not having to actively manage a business, difficult employees, or business partners. Stocks also provide the freedom to sell part of a business at any time. If you've ever sold a business, you know it can be a full-time job. With stocks, there's no marketing, sales, inventory, employees, or customer service. 5. Investing as a skill. The responsibility of money management doesn't go away just because you invested in the index fund. It has merely been delegated to a computer or fund manager. Learning to invest lets you take control of your financial future. Investing is also a skill that can be improved upon for a lifetime. 6. Investing to contribute to your legacy. If you would not be forgotten as soon as you're dead, either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. Benjamin Franklin. Maybe you want to help humans visit outer space like Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. Perhaps you want to make billions of dollars and give it all away like Warren Buffett. Whatever your legacy may be, having money will probably help. 7. Investing is one of the highest paying jobs. If you become good enough at investing, the compensation can be generous. Here are some of the highest paid fund managers' yearly salaries. Jeff Simmons, $1.6 billion, Renaissance Technologies Corporation. Michael Platt, $1.2 billion, Blue Crest Capital Management. Ray Dalio, $1 billion, Bridgewater Associates. Ken Griffin, $870 million, Citadel LLC. John Overdeck, $700 million, 2 Sigma Investments. David Siegel, $700 million, 2 Sigma Investments. Paul Tudor Jones II, $500 million, Tudor Investment Corporation.